Hey guys, welcome back. I have some new items for the house that I want to share with you all. I needed some new stools for the kitchen island and some organizers for my cleaning products. I also have some decor and a new rug that I want to put in the entryway. All items are from Zulily, who's kindly sponsoring this video. Zulily is a great place to shop for your home and yourself. You can find great pieces for your wardrobe, and everything on Zulily is discounted. New items are added every day, and it's a great place to find some of the best deals online. I've been shopping on Zulily for many years and I highly recommend it. The link will be in the description box. Now the first item I'm going to share are the stools, and it is a set of 2. My previous stools were backless and I really wanted some with a back. They're swivel stools and I love that the material is velvet, which makes them easy to clean. They do have a wider seat than I would normally go for, but I still love the stools overall. I have some under cabinet 2-tier sliding organizers to place all of my cleaning products in. It comes with adhesive at the bottom, or you can just drill them in place. I have so many products because I like to try out different things, but I really need to get this cabinet organized, so I'm going to tackle that now. Now, one thing I forgot to do is take my measurements, and I can't fit the organizers in this cabinet. I'm going to use these bins for now and save the organizers for the cabinet in my bathroom. Now the entryway was in need of a new rug, and I wanted something that would be easy to maintain. I decided to go with this jute and cotton mixture rug. The colors are a bit more saturated in person than it is online. I wanted something that had a mixture of slightly warm tones with gray to still flow with my color scheme. Now this rug has more tan than gray, but it's still a good rug for the entryway. Now the last thing I have is this gorgeous sculpture. I already had one for a while now, and I found another one on Zulily at an even better price. I'm going to place them in the living room for now just to switch up the decor a bit. Alright, so those are all of my new Zulily finds. I will have them linked if they're still available. Like I said earlier, Zulily is a great place to find the best deals online, and some stuff can sell out fast, but items do restock and you can set a notification for something you want want. If it's sold out, I'm gonna end this video switching out the bench because it's too much blue in this space. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.